Hi guys, so today I'm going to be making my neon leviathan. So, let's do it, I guess. First one, the second one, third one. Okay, this is the last one. I already know what it looks like, and they're really cute. So, let's do it. Okay. So, my cousin kind of stole it right there, but, yeah, so this is the neon leviathan. It's really cute, and, my goal is to get, well, I completed part of it. So, part of it was to get a neon leviathan, and the other half is to get, neon spinosaurus. So, I'm gonna work on that. I'm gonna try and trade for more spinosauruses. So, yeah. Thanks for watching.